Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Peks, and this video is gonna be an update of last year's video on how to make epic music in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So in the intro you want to add a guitar, some harmonic patch on your violas, cello, a bass, and a sub bass. For the effects you can go with some booms, crashes, and your atmospheric loops. Now for the first part you want to add your simple pop beat. Followed along with the same instruments as in the intro, like the cello, sub bass, the basses, a piano, and another cello just to make up for the second part in the counter melody. At this point, why not add in some vocals as well?
When I saw you again, I knew I wanted.
Okay, let's start with the beat with the first chorus. Same pop beat, same track, same everything, just add a bigger clap on your snaps to give it more ambience. I also added a cinematic loop at the end of each fourth bar. Also with some tackles, some trailer hits, and a little downer. Main instrumentation, everything keeps the same. The cellos, the same piano patch, the same violas, French horns, all the instruments should be the same. Now for your higher instruments like the second violin, the first violin, you need to give it a little bit of crescendo in order to hit like the first chorus or the first parts of the build-up, like so. Let's try it with vocals now. Now for my second verse, which is the build-up as well, I add the same percussions. Everything is the same pop beat, but now I added the pulse, some staccatos with plucks, and also an EDM lead on top of it. So let's hear it with the vocals.
I'll not deny there were good times, but you left me hurting.
Now for the last climax, everything is the same as you can find in the first chorus, but for the last climax, I added trumpets following the main melody, some choir for the background. And that's the changes I made. Okay, so now let's listen to the entire track together.
When I saw you again, I knew I wanted you, but I had to hide it. I had to hide it, 'cause I have grown strong without you around. I've just gotta fight
Yup, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll release this track very soon. Peace.